Hello friends, thanks for joining me today. I want to show you what we've been working on in our automation and robotics class. We've been looking at physics and specifically Newton's first law, which says that essentially a body in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon by another force. So we are taking some contraptions, some wheeled vehicles that we built, and we are rolling them down a ramp to see how much distance we can get from that wheeled vehicle without any motors or any gears or sprockets or anything like that acting upon it. Just straight gravity pushing that thing down a hill.
Hey, that might ruin it, because when it
We don't want to.
oh yeah.
It sounds like a shopping cart.
Made it farther. Made it farther.
No. Second.
Here comes Mr. Pierce. Here it comes. Look out, guys. Look out. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Look out. Watch your feet.
Guys, it was Beatrice screaming.
Good job.